Are you prepared to meet the most fearsome aquatic predator that once prowled the oceans during the Jurassic period? A creature so powerful and vicious, it was aptly nicknamed the killer dolphin. Dive into an exploration of Ophthalmosaurus, a prehistoric sea monster with teeth sharp enough to slice through flesh in mere moments. Just as fast and agile as any predatory dolphin alive today, but twice their size with longer arms tipped with terrible claws. This beast brings shivers to even the bravest explorer. From its giant eyes and special adaptations to survive the depths of an ancient ocean, learn why Ophthalmosaurus reigns supreme among some of history's fiercest marine hunters. Take a look inside the violent reign of terror that kept other Jurassic seafarers in line. Prepare yourself for an unforgettable journey into Earth's not-so-distant past. Join us as we dive into the depths of Ophthalmosaurus' existence and uncover the remarkable adaptations that allowed it to thrive in the ancient oceans. From its streamlined body shape to its specialized limbs, we'll explore the features that made Ophthalmosaurus a true master of the sea. Ophthalmosaurus, a remarkable marine reptile, exhibits distinctive physical characteristics that highlight its adaptation to an aquatic lifestyle. They were generally moderate in size, with some specimens reaching lengths of around 10 meters. Its streamlined body, tapering towards the tail, enabled efficient movement through water. Moreover, the skull possessed notable features, including large eye sockets, from which its name is derived. These sockets suggest a well-developed sense of vision, which is likely beneficial for navigating the marine environment. Additionally, they had sharp, conical teeth suitable for catching and gripping their prey. These physical attributes, such as the streamlined body, large eye sockets, and specialized teeth, demonstrate the adaptations Ophthalmosaurus possessed to thrive in its aquatic habitat. Fossil records indicate that Ophthalmosaurus inhabited seas and oceans in different regions, including what is now Europe, North America, South America, and Asia. How do these fossils shed light on the intricate web of life that thrived in the prehistoric oceans? Stay till the end to find out. The fossil record plays a crucial role in our understanding of prehistoric marine ecosystems. Paleontologists have unearthed numerous fossils, providing valuable insights into their anatomy, behavior, and evolutionary history. These fossils have been meticulously studied, allowing researchers to reconstruct the life history and habits of these ancient marine reptiles. A further contribution to our understanding of the development of marine reptiles has come from the careful investigation of fossils. Scientists are able to trace the evolutionary links and patterns of these extinct species by comparing the traits of these ichthyosaurs and marine reptiles to those of other extinct marine reptiles and ichthyosaurs. This contributes to the development of a more accurate picture of the process by which marine reptiles diversified and adapted to their habitats over the course of millions of years. It is thought that this animal was a carnivorous predator, both in terms of its food and the way it fed on its prey. Its sharp conical teeth were well suited for capturing and grasping food, indicating that fish and potentially other tiny aquatic animals made up the majority of its diet. The streamlined physique of these dolphins, along with their powerful swimming ability, hints that they were agile hunters capable of tracking and catching fast-moving prey. The fact that they were excellent swimmers lends credence to this. This kind of reproduction, known as vivipary, indicates that they most likely had a sophisticated and well-developed reproductive system in order to facilitate the birth of young and ensure their survival in the aquatic environment. It is believed that they were proficient swimmers, which contributed to their ability to move about by swimming. Its body would have been streamlined, and it would have had well-developed flippers and a strong tail, all of which would have enabled it to glide through the water with efficiency. It is most probable that they depended on their flippers for both propulsion and mobility, which let them rapidly travel their aquatic environment and chase prey. As for the function it plays in the ecosystem, it is most probable that it is an apex predator, meaning that it is at the top of the marine food chain. Its activity as a predator and its ability to swim would have put it in a position to be a significant influence in managing the population dynamics of its prey and in impacting the general structure of marine ecosystems throughout the Jurassic period. In terms of their evolutionary links, they have the same heritage as other ichthyosaurs, which indicates that they evolved from the same lineage and have a similar history. Scientists have been able to rebuild the evolutionary links with other species of ichthyosaurs by using fossil data and comparative anatomy to do their research. Could the current advancements in research and recent findings bring us closer to unraveling the intricate evolutionary connections within the family Ophthalmosaurus? As a result of fresh findings and developments in study, the exact evolutionary connections that exist within the family Ophthalmosaurus are currently in the process of being clarified and improved. On the other hand, it is largely agreed upon that they are closely related to other species of Platypterychus as well as Agilosaurus. It enables researchers to track the ancestry and diversification of marine reptiles across time, which sheds light on how these animals adapted to varied ecological niches and conditions during the course of evolution. In terms of taxonomy, the genus Ophthalmosaurus is subdivided into several species on the basis of distinguishing characteristics, including morphological differences and the presence of fossil evidence. It has been determined that there are many species of Ophthalmosaurus, including Ophthalmosaurus asenicus and Ophthalmosaurus natans. These discrepancies between species contribute to the process of improving our knowledge of the variety that existed throughout the Jurassic period and its geographic spread. Ophthalmosaurus, as an apex predator, helps us understand the general functioning of ancient marine food webs by providing us with crucial information on the relationships between predators and prey, as well as the trophic interactions that occur within these ecosystems. How has the discovery and study of Ophthalmosaurus fossils helped researchers gain insights into the biology and behavior of this ancient marine reptile? The Ophthalmosaurus genus and its relatives have made significant contributions to our understanding of the evolutionary history of marine reptiles. Researchers are able to trace the evolutionary history and patterns of these ancient marine reptiles by evaluating the physical traits of ichthyosaurs and comparing them with those of other ichthyosaurs. This research contributes to a better understanding of the evolutionary shifts and adaptive modifications that have taken place in marine reptiles over the course of millions of years. Ophthalmosaurus went extinct along with many other marine reptiles during the late Jurassic period. The exact cause of their extinction is still a subject of scientific debate, but there are several theories that researchers have proposed. One hypothesis suggests that changing environmental conditions played a significant role in their extinction. During the late Jurassic, there were significant shifts in sea levels and global climate patterns. These changes could have led to alterations in the distribution of prey, disruptions in food chains, and the loss of suitable habitats for Ophthalmosaurus and other marine reptiles. Another theory proposes that competition with other marine predators, such as pliosaurs and large sharks, might have contributed to their demise. These predators occupied similar ecological niches and may have competed for the same food resources. Increased competition could have put pressure on Ophthalmosaurus populations, leading to their decline and eventual extinction.